Walang ice
Pag ginagawa ko po siya, wala masakit siya.
How long?
Mga 1 month lang.
1 month. Very 1 month na.
Yung pain lang sa
Concentrated there.
Scale of 10.
Scale. X39 dito sa batok ko. X39 is always present. Kasi ang X39 is a stem cell activator. Itong ice wave or the other patches, those are variant as needed. Gaya ng ice wave, like this one, may sakit siya ngayon, so we put it. This is acute because it's only like 1 month. So, pag ice wave, ganun to eh. If it's acute, like 1 month, the pain area, you use the white. Pag chronic, yung pain, ang tan. And then, you use the clock method, like right now. Clock method ito. So, 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock ito. So, 10 seconds. We wait and then we'll see. Okay? Range from 0 to 10. Kanina 5. Ano ngayon? 0 po.
Wait, sige ma'am, baka naman niloloko nyo kami. Joke lang.
Wow! Bilis! Galing, no? 1 month.
Seconds.
Pero seconds lang.
Like 3 seconds.
Yeah.
3 seconds, nag-0 ka na. Ang galing eh, kasi the X39, ito nakakatulong sa stem cell activator, and then this one, it helps. So talaga amazing, lahat kami excited. Kaya manager kami. Kaya magiging manager din kayo, kagaya namin, excited.
Ayan, palakpakan naman natin si ma'am. Thank you.